Secret vitamins for rapid proteinuria fix and kidney repair. Discover the secret to kidney health with a powerhouse punch. Discover the vitamin that swiftly halts proteinuria and kickstarts rapid kidney repair. Your path to a revitalized and resilient kidney begins here, unlocking a new chapter of well-being with the key to stopping proteinuria fast. Welcome to Healthy Renewed, Health Enthusiast, where we delve into the fascinating world of health and wellness. Today, we bring you crucial information that could potentially transform your life. In this video, we'll be exploring a powerful vitamin that not only stops proteinuria fast but also plays a pivotal role in repairing your kidneys. If you, or someone you know, is grappling with kidney issues or seeking proactive ways to enhance kidney health, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unravel the science behind this incredible vitamin and discover how it can make a significant impact on your well-being. Let's embark on this journey towards kidney wellness together. Starting with number 1. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of calcium and phosphorus levels in the body, thereby significantly contributing to bone health. Its primary function is to facilitate the absorption of calcium from the intestines, promoting its incorporation into bones and teeth. This process is essential for the formation and maintenance of a strong skeletal structure. In addition to its pivotal role in bone metabolism, vitamin D has been linked to overall kidney function. Adequate levels of vitamin D are associated with improved kidney health, as it helps regulate the levels of calcium and phosphorus, preventing their accumulation in the kidneys, which could lead to complications. Ensuring sufficient intake of vitamin D through diet, sunlight exposure, or supplements is crucial for maintaining optimal bone health and supporting the proper functioning of the kidneys. Let's move on to number 2, the vitamin B complex. The B complex vitamins, including B6, B12, and folic acid, are indispensable for maintaining overall health, with potential implications for supporting kidney function. These vitamins play vital roles in various physiological processes. Vitamin B6, for instance, is involved in the metabolism of amino acids and the synthesis of neurotransmitters, while vitamin B12 is crucial for the production of red blood cells and the maintenance of the nervous system. Folic acid, a B vitamin, is essential for DNA synthesis and cell division. The intricate interplay of these B-complex vitamins contributes to a range of bodily functions. Some studies suggest that deficiencies in certain B vitamins may be linked to kidney dysfunction. However, more research is needed to fully elucidate the specific roles of B vitamins in kidney health. Nevertheless, ensuring an adequate intake of B-complex vitamins through a balanced diet or supplementation may contribute to overall well-being and potentially support kidney function. Number 3 on our list is vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. It is renowned for its potent antioxidant properties, which play a crucial role in promoting overall health. The kidneys, being highly vascular organs, are susceptible to oxidative stress, a condition characterized by an imbalance between the production of reactive oxygen species and the body's ability to neutralize them. Oxidative stress has been implicated in various kidney disorders. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant by scavenging free radicals and unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells and tissues when present in excess. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin C helps mitigate oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cellular damage in the kidneys. This antioxidative capacity is particularly relevant in the context of kidney health, where a delicate balance of filtration and excretion processes demands protection against oxidative damage. Bringing us to number 4, omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in fish oil and flaxseed oil, are recognized for their potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory effects that may extend to supporting kidney health. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to various kidney conditions, and omega-3 fatty acids have been studied for their ability to modulate inflammatory responses. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids are attributed to their influence on the production of certain signaling molecules in the body. These molecules, known as eicosanoids, play a role in the regulation of inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, found in fish oil, have been shown to promote a more anti-inflammatory environment within the body. In the context of kidney health, reducing inflammation may have positive effects on preventing or managing certain kidney conditions. Studies have explored the potential benefits of omega-3 fatty acids in conditions such as chronic kidney disease. However, it's important to note that individual responses can vary and further research is needed to establish specific recommendations. Incorporating sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish or flaxseed oil, into a well-balanced diet may contribute to overall health, including potential benefits for kidney health. As with any dietary supplement, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it aligns with individual health needs. In number 5, we have magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in numerous physiological functions throughout the body. Among its diverse functions, magnesium is integral to muscle and nerve function, DNA synthesis, bone health, and energy metabolism. In the context of kidney health, magnesium's contributions are notable. One significant role of magnesium in relation to the kidneys involves its influence on kidney function and electrolyte balance. Magnesium helps regulate the levels of other essential minerals, such as calcium, potassium, and sodium, in the body. This balance is critical for proper kidney function, as the kidneys are responsible for filtering and excreting these minerals. Moreover, magnesium has been associated with a potential protective effect against the formation of kidney stones. Adequate magnesium levels may help inhibit the crystallization of calcium oxalate, a common component of kidney stones, in the urine. While magnesium is beneficial for kidney health, it is essential to maintain a balanced intake. Too much or too little magnesium can have adverse effects. A well-rounded diet that includes magnesium-rich foods, such as leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, is generally recommended. Let's move on to number 6, Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, is a vital antioxidant that participates in the energy production process within cells, particularly in the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Beyond its role in energy metabolism, CoQ10 has garnered attention for its potential protective effects, including those on kidney health. By combating oxidative damage, CoQ10 may contribute to the maintenance of kidney function and prevent or mitigate certain kidney-related conditions. Studies have explored the potential benefits of CoQ10 supplementation in various kidney disorders, such as chronic kidney disease and conditions associated with impaired renal function. As with any supplement, consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable to determine the appropriate dosage and assess its suitability based on individual health needs and conditions. In conclusion, the power of this incredible vitamin cannot be overstated when it comes to halting proteinuria and promoting kidney repair. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Remember, knowledge is key, and taking proactive steps toward kidney health is a journey worth investing in. Your health matters, and we're here to empower you on your path to well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.